Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Learn Basics. Today, I'm going to share my top 5 programming books for beginners. Here are 5 of the top programming books that can help you get started on your journey. Code Complete by Steve McConnell. This is a comprehensive guide to software construction that covers everything from requirements and design to testing and debugging. It is a great resource for both beginners and experienced programmers. The Clean Coder by Robert C. Martin. This book focuses on writing clean, readable, and maintainable code. It is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to improve their coding skills. The Pragmatic Programmer by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas. This book covers a wide range of topics related to software development, including personal responsibility, career development, and technical excellence. It is a great resource for anyone who wants to become a professional programmer. Introduction to Algorithms by Thomas H. Corman, Charles E. Liserson, Ronald L. Rivest, and Clifford Stein. This is a classic textbook that covers a wide range of algorithms and data structures. It is a great resource for anyone who wants to learn the fundamentals of computer science. Code: The Hidden Language of Computer Hardware and Software by Charles Petzold. This book provides a comprehensive introduction to the history and technology of computers. It is a great resource for anyone who is interested in learning how computers work.